What lies beyond our sight and beyond our reach? Out there, in the cold depths of space, are worlds so strange, so violent, they seem impossible. Beyond our solar system are exoplanets that will haunt your imagination. Places where it rains molten glass sideways, worlds hotter than stars, and ancient giants orbiting the corpses of dead suns. These are not planets you'd ever want to visit, but they might just be the most fascinating in the galaxy. Because out there, space isn't empty. It's hostile. At first glance, HD 189733b looks like a paradise. A stunning, deep blue world, glistening like Earth from 64 light-years away. But don't be fooled. This planet is a cosmic nightmare. This is HD 189733b, one of the most terrifying exoplanets we've ever discovered. Why? Because this place is pure chaos. Imagine standing in a storm where the winds rage at over 5,000 miles per hour. That's 7 times faster than a Category 5 hurricane. Now add this. It rains glass, sideways, yes, molten glass, slicing through the air at supersonic speeds. The planet's beautiful blue color comes from tiny shards of silicate in its atmosphere. They're not just decorative, they're part of what makes this planet deadly. And HD 189733b is so close to its star, it's locked in a gravitational grip, one side always facing the heat, reaching temperatures of nearly 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, or 930 degrees Celsius. The other side, dark, cold, and deadly. If you ever tried to land here, you wouldn't even make it through the atmosphere. You'd be shredded, melted, and obliterated by glass-laced storms before you could even scream. HD 189733b, beautiful, brutal, and unforgiving. A deadly jewel drifting through space. Some planets are cold, some are stormy, but Kelt 9b, it's so hot. It's literally being burned alive. This is Kelt 9b, located around 670 light-years from Earth. It orbits a star twice as hot as our Sun, and it's paying the ultimate price. Temperatures here reach a mind-melting 7,800 degrees Fahrenheit, or over 4,300 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than some actual stars. It's so extreme that molecules can't survive. The heat literally rips them apart. Even worse, Kelt 9b is evaporating. Its atmosphere is being blasted off by a radiation streaming into space like a comet's tail, as if the planet is screaming in silence. It orbits its star in just 36 hours, meaning it's tidally locked. One side faces the star, endlessly roasting, while the other side never sees the light, though even that side isn't safe from the heat. Scientists believe Kelt 9b may not survive much longer. It's being cooked, shredded, and erased, one atom at a time. Kelt 9b, proof that some planets are too close to the fire to ever escape it. At first glance, Corot 7b looks like just another rocky world orbiting a distant star. But this planet isn't just hot. It's molten, a living, boiling nightmare. Corot 7b is located about 490 light-years away, and it orbits its star 60 times closer than Earth does to the Sun. That's closer than Mercury, and way, way deadlier. The day side of this planet is a lava ocean, with temperatures soaring above 4,700 degrees Fahrenheit, or 2,600 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt rock into liquid and boil away anything that ever tried to land. And if you thought you could survive on the night side, think again. Corot 7b is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the star and the other is trapped in eternal darkness at a frigid -300 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 184 Celsius. There's no atmosphere to spread the heat, no chance for balance. Just a hellish inferno on one side and a frozen wasteland on the other. Even worse, the star's intense radiation may be stripping material off the planet. Corot C7b is literally disintegrating, slowly crumbling into dust. Corot 7b, where the ground is lava, the air is gone, and the future is nothing but fire. Some planets are hot, some are stormy. But WASP-12b is something entirely. It's a planet that's being eaten alive. WASP-12b orbits a star about 400 light-years away, and it's so close it completes a full orbit in just over a day. That's not a year. That's 24 hours to whip around its sun. This intense gravitational pull is so strong, it's stretching the planet into an egg shape. But that's not the worst part. WASP-12b's star is actually ripping off its atmosphere, consuming it in real time. Every second, millions of tons of gas are being pulled away, forming a massive cloud around the star. Scientists believe the planet is losing mass so quickly it might not survive another 10 million years. In space terms, that's basically tomorrow. WASP-12b is a death sentence in progress. A planet with no escape, no future, and no way to stop what's coming. This isn't just a planet near a star, it's a cosmic sacrifice. And we're watching it disappear piece by piece. In a forgotten corner of the galaxy, orbits a planet so old it predates Earth itself. Meet PSR B1620-26b, also known as the Methuselah planet. This world has lived through cosmic time and terrifying silence. Imagine a gas giant nearly 3 times older than Earth, around 12.7 billion years old. It formed not long after the Big Bang, and it's still here. But Methuselah isn't just ancient. It's trapped in a bizarre, deadly system. It orbits a white dwarf, the collapsed corpse of a star, and a pulsar, a neutron star, spinning hundreds of times per second, firing out lethal beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. Picture living under a sky where every second is lit by bursts of radiation, so powerful they could destroy not just life as we know it, but even the building blocks of life themselves. And yet somehow this planet has endured. Through the birth and death of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the silence of deep time. PSR B1620-26b isn't just a planet, it's a cosmic survivor, orbiting death, bathed in radiation and carrying the weight of billions of years. Out there, the universe is filled with wonders, but not all of them are beautiful. Some are deadly, violent, and completely alien. A reminder that Earth is more rare and more lucky than we often realize. If you enjoyed exploring these terrifying exoplanets, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more strange and mind-blowing space content, and let us know in the comments which of these worlds scared you the most. And remember, the scariest planets we know might be nothing compared to the ones we haven't found yet.